Welcome to Module 2 of your AI Solution Architect training, Multimedia Content Creation. Imagine being able to create professional visuals in seconds that would have taken a graphic designer hours of work. Impactful logos, unique illustrations, realistic photos, all of this is now within your reach. And the most incredible part? You already have the basic skills to get there. Everything you learned in Module 1 about prompt engineering will apply directly here. In this first lesson, you'll discover the best free tools and generate your first AI image. Let's go! We're gonna see how to transform your words into spectacular images. Excellent news! You've already accomplished the hardest part. In Module 1, you mastered the art of prompt engineering. These skills are your solid foundation for everything that follows. Remember, you already know how to structure a request. In Module 1, you learned the structure of a prompt and the importance of specificity. All of this applies directly here. Iteration to improve results and few-shot techniques are also valid for images. Let's take a closer look at the comparison between a text prompt and an image prompt. You're going to see the blatant similarities. On the left, a typical text prompt. You are a marketing expert. Write a slogan for an African bakery. On the right, the image prompt. An African bakery, warm interior, golden bread, morning light, professional photo style. Do you see the similarities? The precision, the context, the constraints? It's the same logic of communication with AI. What stays the same? Precision is essential. A vague prompt will always give a mediocre result. Iteration always improves the final result. We never stop at the first try. What changes? No role to give. Image generation AI doesn't need to know that it's an expert. We use specific visual vocabulary like lighting and framing styles. We describe what we see. You have the theoretical basis. Now let's get into practice with the tools that will bring your ideas to life. Now let's move on to the tools. Why these 4 tools specifically? They're free, accessible, and each has its unique strengths. First tool, Leonardo.ai. It's the Swiss Army knife of image generation. It does everything well. Photos, illustrations, characters. It even allows for retouching existing images. With 150 credits per day, you can create between 30 and 50 images for free. Second tool, Ideogram. It has a unique capability. It knows how to write legible text in images. It's the only free one that does it well. If you need to create a logo with text or visuals with embedded words, Ideogram is your best friend. No more gibberish. Third tool, Microsoft's Bing Image Creator. It's the power of DALL-E 3, one of the best models in the world, and it's unlimited. It's perfect for experimenting without limits. It understands French very well and produces excellent creative concepts. Fourth tool, Playground AI. It offers a huge volume, 500 images per day. It's the ideal tool for the learning phase. With 500 images, you can test, make mistakes, and start over as many times as needed to master your prompts. In summary, Leonardo for versatility, Ideogram for text, Bing for unlimited quality, and Playground for massive experimentation. You now know the best free options. It's time to take action and generate your first AI image. It's time to practice. You're gonna generate your first AI image, and we'll do it together. Get ready. We're going to use Bing Image Creator, the simplest one to start with. Go to the site and log in with your Microsoft account. Copy this prompt. A majestic African lion standing on a rock at sunset, golden light, photorealistic style. Click Create and wait a few seconds. That's where the AI magic happens. Let's see the result. There you go. In a few seconds, you've created a professional quality image. It's impressive, isn't it? Let's analyze the prompt. The precise subject and context provide the basis for what you want to see. That's the basic structure. Add lighting, style, and quality indicators to get this professional look. That's the recipe for success. Key points to remember. Precision is vital, the 4 free tools are your allies, and the prompt structure makes the difference. In the next lesson, we'll delve deeper into the art of writing even more effective visual prompts. You're gonna love it. Before you go, create your accounts on the 4 platforms. Experiment with Bing Creator. See you very soon for the rest of Module 2.